India. We are here to announce neutralization of a very important terrorist who had been operating for last few years in Kashmir, particularly in South Kashmir. Somewhere on 27th, we had launched an operation into the dense forest and upper reaches of Dashigam based on a human intelligence developed by JKP and Jammu and Kashmir police, along with this human asset, had led us, the Rashtriya Rifle Forces of Victor Force, to the exact site where this so-called terrorist was hiding. As you are well aware, the weather was pretty inclement and they had to close in with pure caution. The importance of neutralizing, killing of Saifullah alias Lambu is twofold. Firstly, it brings closure to Pulwama incident, which happened in Feb 2019, because he was one of the mastermind for having trained a local boy, a local youth, Adil, who eventually blew himself up in an ID attack. Ever since, he had been responsible to continue to train people in making of ID and deployment of IDs against the security forces. The second very important facet of this neutralization of Saifullah alias Lambu is that he has been also responsible to recruit young locals by brainwashing them, carrying out identification, selective identification, thereafter radicalizing them and giving them weapons and putting them as face of overall strategy of our inimical agencies which are operating from across. Thus, when this young recruits were taken out, neutralized, it brought a face as if the entire movement is indigenized and a local movement, which is not so. The most heartening part is, in last few days, our mission towards ending the cycle of violence has been seen